forget how long your necks are. So you going to check out the camera? Are you being a criminal? We're old ladies, so you deserve it. My bad. My bad. Sorry for coughing. You got something right there. KFC, kind, friendly chicken. Don't give me that look. Hi, Henry. Oh, bless you. Did you just peck my knee? If you guys were sins, you would be sloth, and you would be gluttony. You're like a giraffe, a tiny. This is why you guys are dinosaurs. You heard me. Why are you staring straight at the camera? Why are you a criminal? What you doing, cupcake? Yeah. Hey. Boo, boo, boo. I wonder what you would look like bald. I'm so used to you being like ridiculously fluffy, so I wonder what you look like completely bald, like naked, stripped of your hair, stripped of your fluffy. Oh, you're so cute. What do you think? It's a headband. Do you have anything to say? No? You got something on your nose. There you go. What if I put it on the other way? You look gorgeous. Yeah, I'll take it back off. Oh, there you go. You're free. It's your turn. Hi, no. It's just a few minutes.